What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to show you guys how to remove the fluff from the Claude text. So if you have a text file that you want to remove the fluff from, over here I have written a prompt, a detailed one in order to use with the Claude. Over here you will see act as a ruthless developmental editor and the copy editor. Your sole objective is to strip all fluff filler and AI hallmarks from the provided text while preserving 100% of its core information. So these are the strict editing rules. Ban the meta talk, uh, enforce the would they miss it, eliminate empty modifiers, prefer active verbs and consciousness, and then maintain informative density. And what you have to do is to just paste the text over here, which you want to edit, and then it will work fine for you guys. You guys can ask the Claude itself to create a detailed prompt in order to use it, and explicitly just give these instructions to the Claude. Then it will make sure that it won't, write any fluff text in the response from further on. I hope you find this video helpful. See you in the next one. Ciao.